Hi friends! Usually to solve the quadratic equation, we use the formula, but today we'll solve this by completing the square. Start by moving constant term to the right. Then make the coefficient of x square 1. So divide entire series by 3. Next is the most crucial step. Take this coefficient of x and divide it by 2. Now both sides add its square. On the left, the square is completed. A minus B whole square. So the two values of x are 2 by 3 and 2. That's all for today guys. I'll see you in our next session.